This is giving Victoria's Secret. The Victoria's Secret fashion show is iconic, but one of the main critics that I had last year was that there weren't enough blowouts, like voluminous Victoria's Secret bombshell blowouts. But hopefully this year we get that, and I think we will. I'm actually gonna watch it tonight. I'm gonna post this on Friday. But this is my idea of a good Victoria's Secret blowout look, and yeah, we're gonna do it at home together. Let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing we gotta do is prep the hair. So I'm actually gonna use Dyson products. This is the hair oil and this is the leave-in conditioning spray. So actually, let me divide my hair into just two sections. I'm gonna put half up and keep the rest down. So what I like to do is that I like to put a little bit of the leave-in conditioner on my hands like this. Pretty good amount actually. And then I put the oil. You can use this oil on wet and dry hair. So I just put a little bit of this, mix it, and then apply it to all my hair. If I feel like my hair is starting to get a little bit too dry, before I blow it out, I do add a little bit of water, like I spray a little bit of water to make it more damp. We're gonna work with this for now. So now I do the rest. I'm also gonna add a little tiny bit more of just the leave-in conditioning spray. What I like about this product is that you can add a pretty generous amount and it won't feel heavy on your hair. It's gonna feel amazing actually. I need a brush. By the way, you guys, I have my cute little Victoria's Secret robe. I am so ready to watch the show tonight. Look at this cute little skirt. I mean, how stunning. And it matches the top. Super sexy. Okay, so now I just detangle my hair just to have it ready for the blowout. Now I do the same to the top sections. Now I'm going to section off my hair. I like to divide the bangs, just kind of get that out of the way and just separate that from the rest of the hair. So I'll do one section for the bangs. Then I divide the rest of my hair right in the middle, just like this. And then I do one section on the crown of my hair on each side. Then I part it right above my ear, like another big section like this. But then this section I'm going to divide in two, just to, you know, be able to manage the hair a little bit better. So two sections right here. I like to twist it and clip, and I do the same with this one, twist and clip. And now I divide this one in two, and again twist and clip. So this one is ready to go. This is the first section I'm going to work on. Now let's do the same on this side. So now I'm going to dry all my hair. So I'm going to use the Dyson Airwrap Quanta 2X. I have been loving this hair dryer, you guys. I didn't think I was going to like it this much, but like every time I blow out my hair, now I want to use this hair tool. Like, it's just so good. I know it's $7.50, and you know what I just noticed? That this was $700 when I bought it, when it first came out. And they put it up $50, so now it's $7.50. Like, who does that? Only Dyson does that. Why is it $7.50 now? That's just crazy. But it is very, very good. I do really like it. This just gives me such a nice quick blowout. I mean, I'm able to do all my hair in less than 25 minutes, and that is very fast for me. I use the round brush attachment to blow out all my hair, and even though this round brush is way smaller than a lot of other round brushes that I use, this one gives me such a smooth blowout. It got super close to my roots, and this hair tool gets very hot and it is very powerful, so it does give me a pretty good blowout. I mean, most of the time I am pretty much good with just this round brush attachment. I don't really have to do much to my hair after that, but today I'm going to do a couple more steps because I want to get that Victoria's Secret, you know, blowout look. So yeah, we're going to use other attachments for just a blowout. I mean, this is amazing and it feels very lightweight. I don't feel super tired when I use this. I actually enjoy like really doing my hair a lot with this. There's some hair tools that I use that are just like, okay, like I'm just like, okay, let's do my hair, you know, but with this one, it's like I get excited to do my hair. So that is a nice feeling, especially when you do your hair every single week. And if you have curly hair, you know what I mean. It's not that easy to do blowouts all the time. So for me, it is worth the money. And by the way, I did buy this hair tool myself. This wasn't even gifted to me or anything. So yeah, if I didn't like it, trust me, I would have returned this because $750 is a lot of money for a hair tool, but I do really like it. So I kept it and I haven't stopped using it since. All done with the blowout. Now let's add some curls. I was gonna use a straightener for the roots, but I don't think I need that today because the blowout is looking pretty smooth, and I also don't want to lose the volume. I actually want to add a little bit more volume now with a spray from Amika. This is the Rising Star. I love this stuff. It's a dry spray, so it's not like those volumizing sprays that are gonna just re-wet your hair. Like, I just don't like sprays like that because it's like, why do I want to wet my blowout, my fresh blowout, just to add volume? volume, then I have to add more heat and re-dry it. So with this spray, you just spray this to your hair and it's going to instantly give you volume. You don't have to restyle like other volumizing sprays that are like a wet spray. But today I'm going to add some curls, so I am going to style my hair again. But I really like this because it just adds a ton of volume. So basically I just spray this more like at the root. You guys will see. You see how it just gave me so much volume right away? And I haven't even done anything yet. I love this stuff. So I divide my bangs like this and add a little bit of the spray to the top there and divide this in the middle and add a little tiny bit more right here. And now I'm gonna curl my hair. I always like to curl away from my face. Look at that volume, like it looks very nice and like tight also, the curl. So you already know you're gonna get some volume with this trick. And then I'm gonna clip each section. So now you combine the two sections and just wrap the hair up like this and set it for a little bit. I'm actually gonna do that to all my hair. I'm gonna set all my hair and I'm gonna curl the rest of my hair. Bam, so cute. Okay, now I'm gonna set this curl, just clip it. Always try to clip it with the direction of the curl so that you don't mess up your curl that you just did. I'm gonna keep doing this side and then I'll move on to the other side. Now let's do this top section. I'm gonna try to get it very close to my roots to create a little bit of volume. Release the curl. As you can see, it has a little bit of volume, but I am gonna clip it up again like this, just to really make sure that I have that lift at the root. Okay, there you have it. So now that I clipped all my hair, I'm gonna let this set for a little bit, at least 30 minutes. If you can do more, even better. You can also add a flexible hold hairspray if you have one. I really like the Nexus one. It's this one right here. And I also like this one from Dry Bar. It's a very nice flexible hold hairspray. It makes your hair feel very touchable. But if you want your hair to still have some texture and feel very touchable at the same time, but not like have extreme hold, then maybe go with this one. This is actually a dry texturizer from Maine. I've been really loving this stuff. This is gonna give you texture more than anything, but it also gives like a little tiny bit of hold, so I really like this. Okay, I'm gonna let this set for at least 30 minutes. I'm gonna eat a little snack and I'll be right back. All right, I let these set for some time now. Let's take off the clips. I mean, so nice. Let's do this one right here. This is a big one. Wow, look at that curl. Do this one right here. I mean, you can even see the volume right there. Okay. All right, last one right here. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to shake this up a little bit. It's gonna start breaking up the curls a little bit. I'm gonna take this comb and just kind of like loosen up the curls a little bit. Just brush my hair with this. This makes a big difference, you guys. This is giving Victoria's Secret. Of course, if you want more volume, you can always add a little bit more of this. Of course, just know that if you use this much product, your blowout is not gonna last as long because your hair is gonna start to feel a little bit heavy. For just like a one-day thing, if you just want your hair to look good for a special occasion, then go all out with the product. I love volume and I just feel like I need to recreate this again because it is just such a vibe. This is actually giving like salon blowout look, but at home. I definitely will be tagging all the products and the hair tool that I used today to create this look right here through YouTube shopping, and to also be linking everything down below in the description box. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and I really hope that it was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe if you like this video and I love you guys so much.